Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to wrap up my March favorites. I can't believe it. I say that every month. It's crazy how fast the month goes by, but I have beauty, fashion, and no randoms. But let's get into it. As always, I show so many products throughout the month, whether it be clothes, beauty, talk about random things on my vlog channel, whatever it may be. And I like to have one hub where I kind of just talk through everything that I absolutely loved and want to tell you guys about because they're my favorite products. Okay, so let's start with hair. Okay, I have one hair favorite and it is this tool right here, and it's still a little warm. This is the Conair. I have no idea what. I've had this for probably 2 years, and I used it a lot when my hair was really short, but I've recently gotten layers cut into my hair. It's what I used to style my hair with today. I love this thing, you guys. I love it way better than those heated brushes that have like the bristles. I like these combs. This is literally the best of both worlds because it really does hold the curl for me because it's a curling iron, but these little combs kind of give you that blowout look where you can just kind of flip out the ends. I'm obsessed. If you want to see an updated routine with this, let me know. I mean, it does help that I have layers in my hair. If you don't have layers, it's just going to give you a rounded look or a flipped out look. But it's softer than a curling iron if you deal with clamp, like whatever, harsh lines from your curling iron and want more of a soft blown out look, but want the staying power of a curling iron. This is it, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. I love anything Conair really does. But this has been my baby this month ever since I got my hair cut. When did I get my hair cut? At the beginning of the month, I think. I've been obsessed. So I also did an all about my hair routine, which I will throw up in the cards, like shampoo, products, all the things. I will throw that up where I kind of talk through everything about my hair if you're curious to check that out. But let's jump into the rest of beauty. I have a skincare product again this month from Prequel. I have become madly in love with Prequel. A, I love that I can get it at my Target. B, their prices are incredible. And C, it's really good stuff. So I decided to try the Urea Advanced Relief 10% Urea Moisturizing Milk for face and body. This is so good. Okay, so I also did grab their vitamin C recently. I would say I grabbed these around the same time, but I feel like this I've been using day and night, and that I've only been using day. And it's just kind of like not as, I've been using this a lot more, so I can say things about this. So this has urea, niacinamide, and shea butter. This is so hydrated, and I love this pump, you guys. I love everything about the packaging of these things, but I have been going through my tretinoin journey. I actually have decided to go down in strength with my tretinoin. I was on, I think, 0.5 or 0.05 or something like that. 0.5. And now I'm gonna go down to 0.25 because I still have to sandwich every night my moisturizer, and I'm still peeling like crazy right around this mouth area. So I'm dealing with a lot of dryness, tightness, stinging when I'm putting on just like normal products because it's just a little too harsh on my skin. So I use muesli, so I just checked in with my virtual dermatologist and he prescribed a lower dose for me, so I'm gonna start that because I've been on the 0.5 for about probably almost 2 months, honestly, every night to every other night, and it's still just not, I don't think it's the right strength for my skin, but this has really helped a lot. I use this as like a sandwich method, and I notice less peeling when I do this, but I still want to be able to not have to sandwich it. I want to just use the product that's right for my skin because I don't think you need irritation with tretinoin. Like once you get through that original phase, it shouldn't be disrupting your skin barrier, compromising it, and leading to breakouts and all that. So this has been great for underneath my tretinoin, and then on the top of it, this is such a good moisturizer. It is like thick, but not too thick. Oh, I think I closed it. No, it does close too, which is incredible. The only thing I wish is they had travel sizes, and they might, I've just never looked. But you can see this is the consistency. It's very much a jelly cream. Oh, it's so plush. It is so good. I read some things that girls were saying that it wasn't hydrating enough, and I feel like it's it's honestly very hydrating. And it does have a gentle like exfoliator to it, but I don't notice that it irritates my skin. I guess, like I said, I've been dealing with irritation on my skin from my tretinoin, so this has just helped soothe the skin. It leaves a very nice silky finish on the skin, and it is just a dream. Non-scented, which I love, and yeah, I've been using it morning and night twice. And I like that it's in a pump and it's relatively affordable. Honestly, overall, just can't say enough good things about this. I mean, it is affordable where you could use it all over the body, but I just prefer to use it on my face as of now, and it's just such a silky. I think it would be a little heavy for a body moisturizer for me personally, since my body, I like a lighter weight moisturizer, but for the face, incredible. You guys, I am so late to the game of BK Beauty's brushes. But holy crap, they did send these to me and like a PR to try out, but I am obsessed, okay? I've always been a sponge kind of girl, to be honest with you, for my foundation or my fingers or whatever. I've used brushes, but never ones that I'm like, okay, this instantly, like, holy crap, changes the game. Honestly, I just feel like they either, like, after using them for a little while, get so gunky, or they just don't spread out the foundation well enough. I don't know what it is. I did really love the Merit brush, but I found that it really, since I was using a liquid foundation and that's meant to use a cream product, it did not lay the product, like it kept getting built up in the brush and it was gross. But these, holy crap. If you want to see these in live action, I'll throw up my Girl Talk Get Ready With Me when I do like my makeup and talk through it, but this is the 109, the most perfect foundation. It builds coverage, but it is so sheer and blendable, and just holy, I just cannot say enough good things about this thing. It's just like, I put on my foundation and I'm like, I'm seeing coverage, but it's melting into my skin. I don't know how they do it. I literally do not know how they do it, but it is the best thing that's ever happened. And then this is basically the mini one for concealer. Again, I did this in real time using my concealer over my dark spot that I have like kind of right here, which is still kind of noticeable, but the coverage that it helped. Normally I will like do those sort of spots or like a pimple with my finger because I feel like it doesn't take as much product off. This, it like helps maintain the coverage but shears it out so it doesn't look thick or cakey. It is incredible. This is the Angie Hot and Flash collaboration, which she must be an influencer, I'm not sure. And this is the A506, the best foundation brush of all time. Like, it's literally like your finger. It's so good, so good. So if you're in the market for new brushes, I know brushes can be kind of like an investment, but they last you forever. Like, I have brushes that I've had since, for like, I'm talking 15 years, I'm not kidding. So if you take care of your brushes, they're gonna last a long time, and those are so insanely good. Like, it is hard for me to be like, this brush changes the game, that brush changes, those two brushes change the game. They sent me a bunch more, but these two were like my standout, incredible brushes that I'm obsessed with. Okay, I feel like I always show a nail color and it's always the color, or I never have the actual color of my nails. But if you've watched my videos this month, you will have seen this, and even last month, I've had it for a little over a month now. This is D&D, which I do my own gel nails at home. If you wanna see a video, it's very detailed, it's very long. I will throw it up in the cards, but they also have regular polishes, so you don't have to buy the gel, or a lot of salons will carry D&D. But this is the color Gloss Moon. I always wanna say Moon Gloss, but it is Gloss Moon. I have always struggled with finding my right, like, pinky, sheer, beautiful, like your nails, but just like clean and bright, okay? And I've realized that my skin tone prefers cool tone pinks, not warm tone pinks. So warm tone pinks on me almost just look like dirty. They just look weird. I don't know, but this cool tone, this is basically purple, but it's almost just like a cool pink slash purple. And it shows purple in the container, but on your skin, on your nails, the most beautiful. Just, when I wear this on my nails, I switch between a bright or a dark color and then a light and a neutral type of thing. That's what I have to do. But when I put this on my nails, I just feel clean, classy, just so good, okay? But I mean, a bright color brings me to life too. But this is my favorite, like neutral raw chicken nails, if you will. I don't know, whatever it is. What were they? Soap nails. This is it for me. So if you feel like you cannot find the perfect like pink, it doesn't look as good on you. Like darker skin toned girls, I feel like a lot of like light pinks, sheer pinks look really good on you. But if you're like more of like a lighter toned, try this, this one in like a cool tone, or just look for a cool based pink or a light purple, if you will, because this has been incredible. Okay, you guys, I feel like I'm cheating on Dossier here, and I kind of am. But you guys know I'm obsessed with Dossier. It's where I wouldn't buy like a regular fragrance if Dossier carried it. But Merit released a fragrance, and I love Merit Beauty. I love their lip products, their skin products, their brows. I love it. So good. Okay, they just basically get simplified makeup down to a T, and they do it very well. Okay, so they released a fragrance, and I got the little travel mini size. I'm gonna read you the notes because I'm terrible of it, but this truly is such a good fragrance. And Dossier doesn't have travels, so I could justify this. I could throw it in my purse, and it's so good. Okay, let me read you the notes of this. This is a rich, nuanced scent that evolves throughout the day with notes of pear, amberette, jasmine, and vanilla. It's a modern fragrance shaped by the past. It is so complex. Like so complex. I smell the freshness and brightness of the pear, but I smell the richness of the amber and the vanilla. It is in the jasmine. It's so good. It's more of a nighttime fragrance in my opinion, personally, but I did put it on today. I love. Okay, so if I buy a fragrance that's not from Dossier, it's always the minis, but their full-size bottle is gorgeous too. But this is the fragrance Retrospect. Not sure if they're gonna plan to launch new one or more, but this is so good. So if you are placing a Merit Beauty order anytime soon, check this fragrance out, give it a sniff. I'm sure you will love it. I wonder if Sephora carries it in store. That would be a good spot to smell it as well. And I love that beauty brands, like skincare makeup brands, are coming out with fragrances. I don't know, I just really like that. Okay, that is it for beauty. Let's move on to fashion. I don't have a ton. Like I said, I feel like these months where it's like, I said this last month, I'm buying a ton of spring and summer stuff, but I'm not quite wearing a ton of it yet because it's still pretty, like, I don't know, hit or miss. Like, I really feel like we are past the cold days. Today it's supposed to be 90 degrees, you guys. But I want to share just what I'm like wearing and actually using instead of things that I'm just constantly buying, because then it's like, but is it a favorite? Because have you worn it? You know what I mean? So let's start with the things that I have worn a ton this month. And if you are on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, you've probably seen these little wrap tops. And I was a ballerina for most of my life when I was younger. So I have a ton of these, used to have a ton of these little wrap tops. They're so cute. I've been wearing them over my workout. Now I do work out at Core Power and then the gym. I don't wear these to the gym that much unless I'm just gonna walk on the treadmill. But I've been wearing them to Core Power even though I have to take them off before because you get a sweaty mess. If you're a Pilates girl though, get these. They're so cute. I got this in a pack of 2, the black and the white, on Amazon for like 30 bucks, I wanna say. And the quality is nice. I mean, they're a sheer little thin kind of wrap top. There are no holes for the string to go through, so you just kind of wrap it around, but I think it's so cute and just kind of like, I don't know, adds a little element to your outfit, whether it's a colorful outfit or just an all black outfit. I feel like these are cute and kind of provide a little coverage, especially if you're gonna go out after or before your workout. I have been loving these and I've worn them a ton. Like I said, I've probably worn each one of these 5 times over the past month. So yes, these are a favorite for sure. I know not a super exciting one, but if you're a workout girly and you used to do ballet or whatever, these tops are super flattering and they're just really freaking cute. And I feel like add just a little something to your workout. Wardrobe. Next up are a pair of shorts that I have worn a ton. These are the Quince linen shorts, and I don't know why I slept on these for so long. I remember last summer I was like buying linen shorts from Cotton On, which I do love their linen shorts, but I was like asleep on Quince and you guys were like, get their linen shorts, they're really good. And I didn't like that they have this like pocket that's stitched on the outside instead of in the inside, if that makes sense. You can kind of see them. And some of you were like, it's not even noticeable. And I was like, okay. So I gave it a try, and you're right. It's not even that noticeable. I love these. I got mine in a medium. I like when linen shorts kind of hang on my body instead of cinched to my body. I just feel like linen is meant to be breathy and flowy and just not touch your body, okay, in the summertime. And I've honestly been wearing these a ton. How I wear them now, if it's a little bit chillier, is I'll wear a sweater with it. I will wear like a denim button down shirt or something like that, but I have been wearing these a ton. These are the perfect length and not too short. I also don't like when my linen is like hiked up in my booty cheeks or up in here, because this has to have a decent amount of inseam in it, or else you're just gonna get eaten, and it's not a cute look, okay? And linen already gets wrinkled, so once it's wrinkled, it's not coming back down. But I love linen, okay? I absolutely love linen. And these shorts are definitely a win. I got a lot of linen this season from Quince, but these shorts I've already worn a ton and know I will wear throughout the rest of spring and summer. Okay. Now let's talk shoes. I have 2 pair. The first are these sandals from Target. I recently did a Target haul. I'll throw it up in the cards. Yeah, these are a little dirty. I've worn them a couple times out of the house. I love these sandals. Now that it is getting a little bit warmer, I've been wearing them with jeans and whatnot. I love the base of these sandals. I tend to go for this kind of like really thick, chunky, basically the same footbed as a Birkenstock with just some cool strappy details. I love these. I had been on the hunt. I found a pair like probably 2-3 years ago from Abercrombie, and I ended up returning them for some reason. I think the color was like, I liked the color, but I didn't love the color. It was not this color. It was more of like a cream. And I returned them, and I just kept being like, oh my God, why did I return them? I regret that. And then last summer, I think I ordered a pair similar to this from Madewell, and I just did not like them. I did not like how like thick they were, chunky, or I feel like they had a bigger base. I don't know. There was something about them that was off. I sent them back. Then fast forward to this year's, Target launched these little sandals, and I think I got these on sale as well, but so freaking good. So cute, look great with dresses, look great with jeans, and they're really comfortable. And I love the toe detail and the strapping and the wrap around the ankle, all the things, so cute. Okay, and then last but not least, since I have been going to the gym more, I wanted a new sneaker. I have been an on sneaker girly for, I think I have I have 3 pairs. I used to have 4. I've gone through 4 pairs of on sneakers. I have one that I use for like my junky sneakers, like they're like my gardening sneakers, whatever. I have a pair that I still do wear, but they're worn to bits. Like I honestly need to get rid of them. Why is it just so hard to get rid of sneakers? And then I have a pair that I honestly just don't love. They're like the cloud, whatever they are. They're just a little bulky. They're fine for walking, but I don't love them for the gym. They have a really big insole. So I wanted a new pair of sneakers that I could walk, but also just do the gym in. So I decided to go for these New Balance. I loved the color of these. These are the 530. I love the green. They also have in yellow, which I love yellow too. But they were on sale at Tilly's, so I pulled the trigger on them. I want to say they're still on sale, but they're really freaking cute and they're so comfortable. They're a cute little dad sneaker. They're kind of like a cream metallic white with a green pop, and I love them. I love them with athletic dresses. I love them with leggings and socks. They're just literally so comfortable. I could walk all day in them, and they're so cute. They do say New Balance running. I don't know if you would run in these, but I like to do walks and work out in them, and honestly just wear them because they're freaking cute. So that is it, you guys. That is my March favorites, a little bit of everything. I love sharing with you guys my favorites from every month. I will have them listed in the description box down below, as well as if you prefer to shop on the YouTube shop button. That's a great way to see if they have discounts as well, because YouTube does things like that, so check that out. But yeah, that is it. That's gonna wrap up my March favorites. I cannot believe that we're headed into April, and April will be just a very busy, jam-packed month. If you're not following my vlog channel, we are listing our place at the end of April. So we have a lot going on in April in terms of packing up, decluttering, getting a realtor in to take pictures, showings, all of the things, and we are starting the home buying process. My dad's coming to visit Arlo's 5th birthday. April's gonna be crazy, so bear with me on that, but I hope you guys had a great month of March, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.